As the world is celebrating the International Human Solidarity Day today, Kashmiris continue to wait of exercise of their right to self-determination for the past over 7 decades. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the day said that inspired by Adolf Hitler, fascist Indian occupation forces have martyred around 4.5 lakh Muslims in occupied Kashmir over the last 73 years. The report urged the world community to raise voice for the voiceless people of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. 3 properties owned by Jamaat-e-Islami, including a residential structure recorded in the name of iconic deceased Kashmiri leader Sayyid Ali Gilani in Srinagar, have been sealed by the Indian authorities. 2 properties at Khushipura, Shalating are in the name of Jamaat-e-Islami, Bashir Ahmed Lone. The 3rd property in Barzullah, Srinagar is recorded in the name of Sayyid Ali Gilani. At least 3 people were dead after a car plunged into the river Chenab in Doda. The vehicle rolled down into the Doda-Kishtwar road on the district. The 3 persons who were on board are feared dead while the rescue operation was underway. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned India for killing the Kashmiri youth on daily basis in occupied Kashmir. The APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar expressed grave concern over the resumption of full-scale catch and kill policy by Indian occupation forces in the territory. APHC leader Sayyid Bashir Andrabi, Khwaja Firdaus, Farida Behenji in their separate statements in Srinagar said that the Indian troops are subjecting the innocent youth, children and elderly to the worst torture in the garb of cordon and search operations to weaken their cause of right to self-determination. National Conference has said that the claims of heavy investment in the occupied Kashmir post-abrogation of Article 370 have fallen flat in the face of the figures presented by the Modi regime in Parliament. Reacting to the year-wise figures on investment over the last 5 years furnished by the Modi-led government in Lok Sabha, the National Conference in a statement in Srinagar said that the figures stare the Indian government in the face. 40-day harshest winter period Chilakalan is going to begin tomorrow in the occupied Kashmir with maximum chances of snowfall during the period. Sub-zero temperatures cause freezing of water bodies including the Dal Lake during the Chilakalan, which ends on January end.